In question 64 on page 127 in section 3, part 2, we are trying to figure out two inequalities. We're trying to write two systems of equations to represent C, the cost, and T, the number of hours. For Webster's, the equation would be C equals 2.95 per hour. For Internet Action, the equation would be C equals 2.25 T plus a $9.95 base fee. After doing part A, where we have to write a system of two equations, moving to part B, where we graph the two equations. In part B, for Internet Action, the base fee, we start at 9.5 and go up $2.25 every hour, and this is the Internet Action line. Right here, and this is the Webster's line. And these two lines intersect at around here. Stoltz power.
Stoltz power. Alright, after we solved our system of equations, and after we did our graph, we are now going to find out the time after how many hours that the cost will be the same for the two internet companies. And what we do here is we have the two equations, and we use substitution. Substitute that to equal that, and then we solve from there, and we get the time that the cost will be equal, after which 14.2 hours the cost of the two companies for internet will be the same. And this is represented on the graph by the intersection over here. That's at 14.2, and that's when the two companies' cost is the same. Alright, so here we are prompted to figure out which company will be cheaper after 20 hours. Thus, T equals 20, and so we substitute 20 in for T on both equations, and once we solve, we find that Internet Action is $54.95, and what's that? Webster's is $59, and so we can see that Internet Action would be cheaper. And we could even come over here and look on the graph and see that after 20 hours, boom, Internet Action is lower. Yeah, right there. So Internet Action would be cheaper and better, and if you were a smart buyer, like I know Mr. Stoltz is, because he's a smart guy, he would buy Internet Action.
Internet Action, that's where it's at.
Stoltz power.
Stoltz power.
Stoltz power. All right.
Stoltz power.